he's coming. And he's also bringing Dante. And Nila's like, nah, fuck this.
Just gonna lock this in. This guy literally crossing the road on his phone.
But a 2015 study from Tennessee found that it boosted earnings, improved mental health, and reduced domestic and partner violence. It did not improve outcomes in educational attainment or criminal involvement. LifeSet is now used in 18 states and D.C., largely driven by financial incentives from youth villages. For instance, Louisiana got a $3 million grant. It's seed money for a population that traditionally has drawn little government funding, especially in poorer states where the priority tends to be helping younger children in crisis. Foster says there was also a lack of age-appropriate interventions.
We have a lot of systems in the United States right now that by and large serve older youth the same way they serve 12, 13, 14-year-olds, the same way they serve 4, 5, 6-year-olds.
LifeSet challenges that framework. For caseworker Taryn LeMaison, the key is developing
What is this kid doing? Clubs to come.
Watch this dude. Look, he's just passing me in the neighborhood road. Just gotta lock that in.